Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Pixel 9 Pro XL, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your beautiful Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. You decide to pick up the Pixel 9 Pro XL and you want to protect your beautiful investment. Look no further. I went to Amazon and I picked up one of my favorite cases, the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Again, I say this in all my videos. If you don't know who Spigen is, I don't know what rock you've been sleeping under. But they make some of the great cases for all the devices out there. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? The overall fit. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection all the way around your beautiful display? The overall fit. Does it add bulk? Are the buttons great? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. It says made for the Google Pixel up there. It comes in different colors. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick it up from Amazon. But it's the normal hard plastic. It has the little kickstand there. The kickstand is a little cheap, but it works. Little Spigen there. I love that pattern on the inside. I wish it does have tough armor there. The only thing I wish is they had some grip for the sides. The power button is ridged, so that way you can see, you know what button you're pressing there. But let's see how this bad boy fits. Now, it doesn't show off your beauty of your phone. And you do get some camera protection there. And you also get lip protection all the way around. The power button is easy to press. The vine rockers are the same. Nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have a lot of room for the charging port. Microphone there. Man. Now let's see how good this case really fits. I mean, oh yeah, snug. Man. This is the first case I'm reviewing and it is snug on look. And trying to take it off. Yeah, it takes some work to remove it. And you hear that snap there too. How good is the kickstand? So you can watch videos like that if you wanted to. Videos like that. I don't think you can watch it like this, no. No vertically. So horizontal like this. If you put it out far enough. Or like this. So just depending on how you want to watch your videos. So it gives you that protection again. Man, and it fits great. Y'all see how good that fits? Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues. It doesn't have MagSafe, so if you're a MagSafe fanboy or fangirl, you may not want to pick up this case. But again, I like to say this in all of my videos now, it checks off a lot of boxes. You get lip protection, you protect your beautiful glass bump back there for your lenses. The volume button is great. The power button is great. The volume rockers are good. Everything lines up. The overall fit is good. Doesn't really add bulk or weight to your phone. The kickstand works good. Yeah, could it be a little bit less, not that easy to pull out and flimsy? Yes. But overall, it works. You can wireless charge. And I can't even get it out without nails. So overall, if you are a Tough Armor fanboy or you like those cases for other phones, you're going to love this case too for your Pixel. If you haven't used it before, I highly recommend picking it up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.